What is up, YouTube? It is your boy E-Gang, back at it again with another video. Today we're gonna be doing the speed test on this beauty. I'll be showing you guys what we did on it real quick, and yeah, so I'm gonna turn the camera around, show you guys what stuff I got and stuff. So stay tuned for it. All right, so we put some stickers on her, make her look a little pretty. For the helmet, we put a little bit of stickers, you know. America. So yeah, we got this metal frame for the GoPro. Very sick. Got some mounts and stuff. Gonna be using the what's it called, goggles? I forgot what they're called, but yeah, guys, we're gonna go ahead and rip this. We're gonna go warm it up, and then I will see you guys on the street actually, and we're gonna rip it, see how fast this thing goes with the app on my phone. But yeah, guys, so guys, just stay tuned, be ready, and we're about to rip it, and we're gonna be lit. So obviously at the end of the video, so stay tuned.
We're just gonna put this in my pocket and we're gonna get out of here. Alright, my battery's kinda low on my GoPro, so I'm gonna try to make this fast. Alright, let's go, let's do this thing. Alright, safety first, I need to know what is coming. We don't run stop signs. Alright, here we go. No distractions, nothing. It's all or nothing. Let's go. I'm gonna go ahead on a limb right now, and I'm going to say 37. That's my highest. I'm going 37. Here we go. 43. Oh my gosh, guys! Hopefully, you guys see this. 43. I'll put a screenshot on the screen right now. Oh my gosh, bro, that's crazy. 43, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and see you guys in the garage, so see ya.
Oh, what's up, guys? I'm back from the adventure. 43.9 miles per hour. I swear I was expecting like 35, 36. This thing flies. I got this for like $500 something. For that, it goes 43. My KX only went 66, so that's only like, that's a real freaking racing bike too. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Stay strong and serve God. Remember that, guys. And be strong, you know, don't let nobody bring you down. And yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, what's it called, follow my Instagram right here. Okay, follow my Snapchat right here, like in the screen. Okay, in the screen. All right, guys, so E-Gang is here, E-Gang is out. See y'all later.